I know that. I know that because that's what all doors are, right? That's what all doors are, is 7 feet by 3 feet. That's all doors. So you can go on Canva and you can get a block and make it to 7 feet and say, all right, this is 7 feet. Now I can go up here and say 7 feet, 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 all the way across there, and then I can do it. Maybe I see the garage door and I can say, all right, this garage door over here is, if it's a double, is 16 feet, right? So now I can go 16, 16, 16, and I can come across that house and I can get a pretty good estimate of how big the house is. Now, when I see people just asking questions and don't put no work in, don't be lazy, because if you're going to be lazy, I'm probably going to give you some number that's crazy, right? I'm going to say that's 500 feet. And you're going to be like, well, no, it's not. I'm going to say, well, how do you know that, right? Because you got to take action. This isn't something that you just be lazy. And, another thing is if we had this conversation of, it takes hard work. Being a business owner is hard work. This is a hard business. This isn't an easy business. This isn't something that you can go out there and say, man, I just want to hit the easy button and money is just going to start coming in. In fact, I will tell you that this is probably the most stressful time, the most stressful thing you will ever do is run a Christmas light business, because you got so many leads coming in that are telling you no, 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 but we know it's a numbers game, right? We know that it takes 90 no's to get 10 yeses. So